Hello everyone, welcome back to Gadgetverse. Today we're taking a look at the Beatbot AquaSense X robotic pool cleaner with AstroRinse Cleaning Station, one of the most futuristic and fully automated pool cleaning systems currently available. This isn't just another robotic pool vacuum, it's a complete AI-powered pool maintenance solution designed to minimize manual work and maximize cleaning performance. The biggest highlight of the AquaSense X is its AstroRinse Cleaning Station. Unlike standard robotic cleaners that require you to manually empty debris after every cleaning cycle, the AstroRinse system automates much of the maintenance process. The robot returns to the station, where debris management and cleaning assistance help reduce direct user interaction. This creates a far more hands-free experience compared to traditional pool robots. Beatbot also integrates advanced AI vision technology into the AquaSense X. Using intelligent cameras and sensors, the cleaner can identify debris, optimize movement patterns, and avoid inefficient routes. Instead of randomly navigating the pool, the AquaSense X learns pool layouts and targets dirty zones more effectively. This improves cleaning coverage while saving battery life and cleaning time. This model delivers all-in-one pool cleaning performance. It handles pool floors, walls, water lines, and floating debris simultaneously. Whether it's leaves, sand, bugs, algae buildup, or fine particles, the AquaSense X is engineered to tackle multiple cleaning challenges in a single cycle. One feature that really stands out is the debris detection system. The robot actively recognizes heavier debris accumulation areas and increases focus on those spots instead of wasting time on already clean sections. That's a huge upgrade over older robotic cleaners that clean every area equally regardless of actual dirt levels. The massive 23-liter debris bin is another premium advantage. Large capacity debris storage means fewer interruptions and less frequent maintenance, especially for larger pools or pools surrounded by trees and outdoor landscaping. Smart navigation is also incredibly advanced here. The AquaSense X maps the pool structure intelligently and adjusts its cleaning paths dynamically. It transitions smoothly across floors, walls, and water lines while maintaining efficient suction and scrubbing performance. Another modern touch is voice control compatibility. Users can interact with the cleaner using voice assistant systems for easier operation and scheduling. Combined with app-based controls, the system feels much closer to a smart home appliance than a traditional pool vacuum. Battery efficiency and cordless operation further improve usability. Without tangled power cords or external hoses, setup becomes simple and convenient. Just deploy the robot, select your cleaning mode, and let the AI system handle the rest. Design-wise, the AquaSense X looks premium and futuristic with a sleek modern aesthetic that matches its high-tech functionality. Beatbot clearly aimed to position this as a flagship robotic pool cleaner for users who want top-tier automation and minimal maintenance. If you own a large pool and want one of the smartest robotic cleaning systems available today, the Beatbot AquaSense X with AstroRinse Cleaning Station is absolutely worth considering. Between AI vision, debris detection, hands-free maintenance, voice control, and intelligent navigation, it pushes robotic pool cleaning into a whole new category. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this review, make sure to like, subscribe, and check the link below to learn more about the Beatbot AquaSense X.